Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a total row in Excel. Let's go to an Excel sheet. Um, Click on any of the cells, go to Insert button, click on Table. It will automatically create a table for you. And here you can see a table is created. So from the Design tool, click on the total row option. Here you can see there is an option of total. The results is um, created by default. If you want to have the total numbers or average count, whatever maximum, minimum, or whatever function you want to get, you have to just click on it. And here you can see the results are shown here. Just click on the little ribbon and just click on the function. It will give you the automatic um, functions or automatic formulas applied here for your table. So yep, this is how you can use the total row in Excel. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.